Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back again to another video on this channel, and in this one we talk about the workout app on the Apple Watch. The topic is how to change BPM to calories on your workout app using the Apple Watch. So whenever you start a new workout, you can get there by, opening up the workout app, which is like a green icon with a person running. So when you get inside, you get like a bunch of different workout types to begin. And you can just start any of them, but depending on which one you start, the stats are going to be different. So whenever you start the workout, like an outdoor walk or something, you can expect like different stats and different data showing up. It might show you the BPM or distance, even calories, right? So it is up to you to see that, right? So you can even swipe up on it to see if nothing else just pops up. But if no luck, if you don't just see the calories, what you need to do is to start a calorie-based workout. So whenever you're scrolling on the workout list, you need to tap on the three dots and choose the different workout goal. Right now, you probably have it set to open or time, but I want you to pick calories, which is going to focus on that, right? So essentially, when you just choose the calorie goal to be like 200 calories, then you're going to get like a visual representation of the red circle filling up until you reach that goal. You're going to be notified about that, and it's likely that it is also going to be showing up on the screen right there. So that's how you can change it. Obviously, as I say, it depends on the workout type. So let me know down below if you managed to get it working for your specific one. But that would be about it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial in the future.